With an understanding of stocks and the stock market, let's get into how you can personally trade them. The best method these days is to open your own online trading account. These accounts are safe, easily accessible, and getting better. They offer the lowest fees per trade and include plenty of tools to help you with stocks. It is far cheaper than finding a user to do it for you. Further, if you want to buy and sell shares on the same day, an online brokerage is the way to go. My favorite 3 online brokerages include TradeKing, Interactive Brokers, and TradeMonster. Interactive Brokers is the best overall, particularly if you intend to trade a lot. It is the best tools for analysis out of any online brokerage I've seen. In the past, their trading fees were higher, giving them a reputation as a better resource for those with more money in their accounts. However, they recently reduced their trading fees, which means they're ready for smaller investors. The first online brokerage I ever used was TradeKing. It has a very low fee of $4.99 per trade, although it does charge an inactivity fee. Its interface is simple, easy to use, and they have free tools for research. Third, TradeMonster is another strong option, as its trading fee is just $4.95 per transaction, and if you decide to get into them, it caters to options and futures traders. Most online brokers are of high quality, so I wouldn't worry too much about which one to choose. It's more important that you get started. Creating an account on one of these is easy. You open an account with your email and some personal information. They will then request your bank details so that you can transfer money in and out of your account. Once they have that, you move money in and you're off to the stock market. When you place trades on these sites, your trade is placed within the next 20 minutes. This means it's not a precise tool to trade on very small differences in prices. You won't be able to compete against Goldman Sachs traders on half-penny differences in price, but you'll have rapid access to the markets. These sites all offer their own research tools for you to use before making trades. Given how competitive this industry is, their platforms are all rather useful. While there are plenty of free websites that offer research options, tools such as Interactive Brokers' Profit Probability Calculator are a major added bonus. If you want to trade stocks outside the US or tiny over-the-counter stocks, make sure that you pick an online brokerage set up for that. Many sites are built for trading US stocks and don't support too many foreign countries, especially outside of Europe. You'll likely have to pay more for these accounts which offer more foreign stocks, but sites like optionhouse.com allows you to trade in places like Qatar, Taiwan, and South Africa.